This is what my audio sounds like right now. And this is my audio after using a free AI tool. You don't need to buy a new mic for this. As small creators, one of the biggest struggle is audio. I mean, you can put all your energy into editing your video, but if your sound is bad, people will click off in seconds. And let's be honest, not everyone has the money to buy a fancy microphone. But before you run out to buy another microphone, this video might be just what you need. Because in this video, I'll be showing you how to enhance your audio for free. Before I go on, hi, welcome. My name is Mole Ayo, and on this channel, I teach you how to edit your YouTube videos and how to grow on YouTube. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Now, let's get right into the video. The first step is to complete your video edit. Make sure you are done with your editing. Then add a sticker on your face. This is just for privacy because we are going to upload this particular video on another site. You don't know what this particular site can do to your video. And make sure you export at the lowest quality, like 480p quality, because we are going to be uploading the video on another site. And you don't want the file size to be large. Now that the video has been exported, the next step is to go to any free audio extractor website in your browser. And this is a particular one I use. You don't need to log in on this website. Just click on open video, then click on photos and videos to import your video. Now, once this blue bar is full and it shows open video, now scroll down to number 3 and click on extract audio. Then click on download. It's done downloading. Now, still in your browser, type in podcast.adobe.com. Now, you'll be required to sign in with your Google account or your email. After logging in, if your interface is not looking like this, in order to enhance your audio, all you just need to do is click on these tools here and click on enhance speech. So it will bring you to this page. In order to enhance our audio, all you need to do is click on choose files. Then click on photo and videos. Now you have to go to your file manager to get the audio that you've extracted on that other website. Now click on the audio, then click on done. Now it's uploading. You just need to wait for a while for it to enhance your audio. Now it's done enhancing the audio. To download this audio, all you just need to do is click on this download button here. Keep in mind that you can only enhance a 1 hour audio per day for the free version. But if you have money for the paid version, that's actually cool. So that is that on that. Now the last step is to come back to CapCut and add the audio to your video. So what you want to do now is mute this clip, then click on audio, then click on sounds, click on file, and click on device. Then scroll down to where the audio may be. You can actually rename the audio file so it will be easy for you to locate it. But personally, I don't do that. So click on this add sign to add the audio to your video. Now, what you want to do is click on sticker and delete this sticker. Now, let's hear what our video sounds like. This is what my audio sounds like right now. And this is my audio after using a free AI tool. You don't need to buy a new mic for this. So that is that on that, guys. All you just need to do is export your video at the highest resolution. So instead of stressing about buying another microphone, use what you already have and let the AI do the magic. Good audio keeps people watching, and this is the simple trick. You can sound professional without spending a dime. Now, if you found this video helpful, can you like it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye!